So how can you make whiteboard videos on the iPhone? Let me explain it to you. Let's get started. And if this is your first time here on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, there are actually more ways how you can animate or create whiteboard videos using your iPhone. A lot of people forget that there is like the Keynote app, which is designed for presentations, and you can also use it to animate objects, right? Because you can start like a new one or add something to it, whatever, and you have the ability to just click on it and scroll through the options which appear and tap on animate, right? And you can see that this opens up like this animation page, and you can see that there are different ways how you can make it appear, or you can choose from all of those different transitions. And you can also make like these videos that will be, or the effects or create the animations within the Keynote presentation. So that would work if you want to just stay with that, or you only have a few things which you want to animate. But I know a lot of people who like these like YouTube videos where there's like a hand animating stuff, right? And if that is the case, if you like that type of thing, then you can also create it on the iPhone. Obviously, it's going to take a while to learn and master the app, but there's the app which is called Foxtecc, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. So I will most definitely put the link down below in the description. But the app basically looks like this, and it lets you create these videos, and you have to like go through it, set up the scene, start a new project, and choose from all of those different files in the gallery which you can use to animate stuff. So as I say, it's gonna take a while, and you have to be like diligent with it to set up or create the video that you need and want, but eventually it will work, and there is the possibility to do so on the iPhone, right? So of course it would be easier on a larger screen like on a computer or iPad, but it's nice that it works on the iPhone as well. So let me know what you think below. I really hope that I could inspire you, or at least give you an idea of what you can use for your content. But for now, that's gonna be about it. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.